Tropical rainforests are areas of high biodiversity that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, where the sun strikes the Earth's surface at roughly a 90-degree angle. The location results in constant and intense solar radiation, which provides the energy necessary to support the biomass of the forest. Rainforests have an average yearly temperature between 22 and 34 degrees Celsius, although with higher elevations and cloud cover, temperatures can be significantly cooler. Some rainforests have yearly temperatures that only vary by 0.3 degrees Celsius. Total rainfall can be anywhere from 2,000 to 10,920 milliliters per year, with some rainforests having almost constant rainfall, while other seasonal rainforests have wet and dry periods. Rainforests are found in Central America, South America, Africa, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Rainforests were brought to global attention when the consequences of deforestation began to become prevalent. Canopy trees are directly linked with cloud cover, moisture, and humidity within the rainforest. Each tree can transpire 760 liters of water annually, which, when roughly translated, can equal a total of 76,000 liters of water transpired per acre. Transpiration leads to rain cloud formation, and large rainforests can generate up to 75% of its own rainfall. Studies have shown that fewer trees mean less rain, which can lead to poor quality soil. In areas in which 20% of the forest has been deforested, the average rainfall per day would fall by a half milliliter. Once the deforested area reaches 40% or above, the daily rainfall falls by 1 milliliter when compared to a fully forested region.
Average temperatures have already risen globally by 0.6 degrees Celsius, and over the next century are expected to increase an average of 1.4 to 5.8 degrees Celsius, along with an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide. For rainforests, some of the largest impacts will be related to changes in rainfall patterns, cloud layers, and increase in temperatures. Rainfall will vary more from month to month, with longer dry spells and possibilities of increased frequency of floods and cyclones. Changes in rainforests have a varying but often detrimental impact on vertebrate species. The golden bowerbird, located in North Queensland, Australia, faces habitat shrinkage with increased temperatures. With only a 1 degree increase, the golden bowerbird faces potential loss of 66.3% of its habitat. With 2 degrees of warming, the potential total habitat loss reaches 90.6%, and with 3 degrees of warming, the total habitat loss reaches 97.9%. Habitat reduction can have serious impacts because the fragmented and smaller areas may not be suitable for breeding and lead to population decline.
With even small changes in average temperatures, both amphibians and mammals face habitat loss or fragmentation. The quarry's range is predicted to contract by 92 to 98% with only a small temperature change. The mountain pygmy possum's habitat may completely disappear with only a single degree rise in temperature. Temperature changes can lead to serious repercussions for some species. Intolerant to high temperatures, the green ring-tailed possum's body temperature increases linearly when the ambient temperature is above 30 degrees Celsius. This can lead to lethal effects after only 4 to 5 hours. Species such as the skink and the green-eyed tree frog, which feed on insects, face a shrinking food supply, lower moisture, and loss of forest vegetation. Increases and lengthening of dry periods within rainforests can lead to lower moisture and loss of forest vegetation.
This, along with consequences to deforestation, lead to the edge effect, in which a block of forest is fragmented, increasing the exposed open land at the edge of the forest, which leads to increased sunlight reaching the ground, causing soil drying to occur. Soil temperatures rise and insect populations decrease, diminishing the food supply. There will be physiological effects to skinks. Studies show that when exposed to increased average temperatures or variation in temperatures during pregnancy, newborn lizards have significantly different body shapes and are smaller. The impacts of global warming on vertebrate species can lead to species becoming endangered or extinct. Although habitat loss does not cement a species extinction, it does significantly increase the likelihood. If current trends continue, then in the beginning, the rate of extinction would increase slowly, followed by a rapidly increasing rate before slowing down when there are only a few hardy species remaining. With a changing climate, one of the most biologically diverse ecosystems may face a significant decrease in diversity and biomass.